This is obviously a computer. This smartphone is obviously a mini computer, but what about this? This is called Cotton Candy, and it can literally turn any screen you own into a computer.
Well, Cotton Candy is, first is the world's smallest computer. It weighs only like 21 grams and it offers the compute power of a 2007 PC. But it's even more than that. It connects the cloud or the internet to your content and to any screen and any input device. It looks like a USB stick, and actually that's one of the features of it. You can actually use it as a USB storage device. It has a USB port, and when you plug it into that USB port, plug that USB port into a computer, it will take over the device to virtualize all the input and output, and you will get your private user interface and all of your digital content accessible to you. If you move documents over to the device, or if you move like movies, things like that, into the Cotton Candy, it will get stored on the device itself and can get synced up to a cloud service, so you have all of the content that you ever stored always accessible to you. So it's running Android at the moment, and it also supports Ubuntu. It has a dual Cortex A9 1.2 GHz CPU in it. That's quite a lot of compute power. And even more impressive, it can support 1.2 gigapixels of 3D graphics output. So it supports 1080p video encoding and decoding and 3D gameplay. We believe that 10 years from now, cloud computing is going to be the main way that we interact with applications or any type of content. We believe that the Cotton Candy is the perfect client for that. You need local compute horsepower, like graphics power, to have the snappiness and the interactiveness of the application, but most of the cycles will be out there. This is the perfect client for it. It takes all of your apps, all of your content to absolutely any screen the way that you want. So the wireless connectivity of this allows you to use any off-the-shelf like mouse, keyboard, or touchpads, things like that, to connect to the Cotton Candy. So you can actually make any screen into a normal computer. You can do like Word, spreadsheets, PowerPoints, things like that on it. You can also use your phone, as we demonstrated, to control the device for a lean-back TV experience or anything like that. So the connectivity to any input device is kind of important because it's context dependent on where you are, on what type of input, and what you do with the device, what type of input you will prefer.
So with this device, you can literally have your cotton candy and, well, eat it too.